Hello, I wanted to make a video to show you how to log in to our online platform called Seesaw. So first you're going to go to this website, app.seesaw.me, so app.seesaw.me. When you're there, you will see this, and you're going to press on I'm a student. Then you're going to go down to this box that says text code, and you're going to look at the paper that I emailed to you and use this code. This is your very own code to use every time. Then you press go. So once you are in Seesaw, you're going to go to the Activities tab. And then every day there is a schedule. So once you go to the schedule, there is a list of what you're doing that day for school. And where there's black arrows, these are links for you to press and go to different things on the computer. So we have a class meeting at 9 a.m. So you would press on this link, and when you press on that link, something is going to come up that looks like this. And you're going to put in your first name and your last name. If you're having trouble doing that, you can put in the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name, and then you press Enter Session. Then you will be in the class meeting. So we have a class meeting every day at 9 o'clock. And then after our class meeting is over, you can take a break. And then we have activities to do in Seesaw. So today the kids had a short A activity and a math activity. And then they could read books at their house or go on Epic Books. To go on Epic Books, you click on the link and you put in the class code PZY4899, and you find your name. Then at 11 o'clock, we have another class meeting. So you click on this link and do that thing again where you put your name in and press Enter Session. After that, you can do choice time on Seesaw, eat lunch, and then you're going to have a library, or then on Wednesdays, you have a library class meeting. So this is an example of what your schedule looks like most days. Some days you'll have library, some days you'll have PE, and some days you'll have music. If you have any questions about how to get online and get into the classroom, please let me know. I'm excited to meet you.